Businesses are facing loads of pressure to do more on really tight timelines. Teams are asked to analyze information trapped in lengthy documents, create engaging content without design skills, and collaborate from anywhere like they're in the same room. They need a tool they can trust, one that helps teams do it all so they can bring their best work together on time, every time. Meet Adobe Acrobat Studio, the new app that gives teams the power to unlock faster insights, create on-brand content, and work together using their favorite PDF tools. It's like having a strategist, writer, and designer in one. Take this team, for example. They just got word that they need to build a proposal for a client ASAP. With Acrobat Studio, it's no big deal. The team adds meeting notes, website links, and product sheets to PDF spaces and gets right to work. Alicia skims the summary, but she wants to dig a little deeper. With AI Assistant, she analyzes information like a pro. Just ask a question. Nice! Since the answers are linked back to precise sources, Alicia is confident in their credibility. She shares the PDF space with her team members so they can all collaborate. Jen really wants to impress the client with a professional-sounding proposal, so she asks a customized assistant to write a first draft. That was fast. Now, Andre can use this drafted content to build a standout proposal. Andre opens Adobe Express and finds a professionally designed template. That's perfect. He's not a designer, but with Express, he has easy design tools to add brand colors, fonts, and even graphics or images to the template, creating a proposal that's eye-catching and on-brand, just like that. He shares it with Erica for legal review. In Acrobat Studio, Erica uses her trusty PDF tools to add a few comments and make a quick edit in real time. The team collaborates to address Erica's comments and polish the proposal. It's ready to share with the client. The final proposal is easy to understand, on brand, and so professional. With just one tool, your teams have everything they need to comprehend, collaborate, and create like never before, and level up productivity company-wide. That's the power of Acrobat Studio.